Meet Remy, the world's first comfortable, affordable lucid dreaming mask. The key to lucid dreaming is recognizing when you're dreaming. That's where Remy comes in. Inside what looks like a normal sleep mask is a microcontroller that waits until you're at the peak of REM sleep and then flashes a series of customizable light patterns via Remy's 6 rear-facing LEDs. The lights aren't bright enough to wake you up, but will appear as visual anomalies in your dreams. Recognizing these anomalies alerts the sleeper that they're dreaming and triggers lucidity. Once lucid, you can practice controlling the world around you.
We don't all sleep the same. We certainly don't all dream the same. So we knew Remy had to be a highly customizable product.
The problem is nobody wants to sleep with a bunch of buttons and controls on their face. So here's the solution that we came up with.
We're actually pretty proud of it.
Simply go to sleepwithremy.com and change your user settings. On the front side of the mask are 2 light sensors. Hold these light sensors against the screen and the site will blink your new settings right into Remy. We're excited to launch Remy in 5 colors, and because we agree with Cabby Anthony,
the beauties of space are unimaginable.
We'll have 3 Kickstarter exclusive interstellar Remys printed with some of NASA's amazing Hubble imagery. There's even a tier where you can design your own Remy. Choose any image to be printed to the front of the mask using high-quality dye sublimation. Over the past year, we've taken Remy from a few lines of code and a sketch to a fully functional product. We need your help to take the next step. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you support our project.
We've linked below to a lot of great stuff about lucid dreaming, and you can also find details for all the reward levels.
With your help, we can make Remy a reality.
This is Nora, a smart snoring solution that you want to have in your bedroom. This is you, well rested and fresh, but you used to be more like this. Thanks to your outstanding vocal performance, you got a lot of this. Yep, your snoring is putting a damper on things at home. And you know it can increase the chance of strokes and heart attacks. So you go out there and try all kinds of anti-snore products. And then, you meet Nora. Using Nora is simple. Just pick your favorite pillow, put the expander in your pillowcase, tap Nora, and go to sleep. When you start snoring, Nora gently moves your head so you stop before your partner wakes up. The science of it is simple. When you fall asleep, your neck and throat muscles relax. This decreases the size of the airway and causes the vibrations. The slight movement of your head stimulates these muscles and opens the airway, so you can breathe normally again. The best part is, you won't feel a thing. You can sleep in any position or on any part of the pillow. Our patent-pending design is just as effective. Everything about Nora is designed to make it a delightful addition to your bedroom. The organic shape is inspired by natural objects, and the smooth matte finish looks great in any setting. Nora comes in a beautiful portable bag, equipped with a rechargeable battery, making it easy to use on the go. We created Nora because we were frustrated with the impractical and expensive products out there. A year of obsessive designing, prototyping, and testing has brought us here. The result is unlike any other snoring solution. An elegant device with a seamless experience, now ready for mass production. Nora, less that, and more this. We can't wait to bring silent sleep to you.
In our fast-paced world, we overlook the most important component of our day, sleep. Studies show that waking abruptly or in the wrong phase of sleep can be as harmful as no sleep at all. We all have to wake up on time, but how we've been doing it is unnatural and needs to change. Most of us aren't even aware that waking to light the way nature intended can be the difference between another groggy morning or revolutionizing your day. Here at Mode Modern, we want to change that. The Sunrise Pillow is the world's first smart pillow that tracks your sleep, wakes you naturally with light, and reinvents the alarm. Our specially designed LED lights, speakers, and sensors are embedded beneath layers of premium memory foam. Simply set your alarm, choose your wake-up music, and go to sleep. In the morning, your pillow will glow from a soft morning red to orange until your room is filled with light. Then your music plays to ensure you're awake. By mimicking the rising sun, your body will be stimulated and wake up naturally, fully refreshed and ready for the day. The Sunrise Pillow's smart alarm knows when to wake you in your lightest phase of sleep, so you wake up focused and energized the moment you open your eyes. Our sensors monitor your sleep and give you a sleep score. If your sleep's interrupted at 2 a.m., you should be able to hear what it was, so you can adjust your surroundings to perfect your sleep. Fall asleep to nature sounds, your favorite audiobook, or mask out unwanted noise with the built-in sound conditioner. You can even fall asleep the old-fashioned way, with the adjustable reading lights that turn off automatically once you've fallen asleep. Here at Mode Modern, we've been hard at work. We're a team of designers and engineers with over 10 years of experience. Making a pillow for you to rest your head on may seem simple, but making it intelligent and easy to use takes even more finesse. That's why we're working closely with materials experts and software engineers to source the most comfortable materials and design the simplest system that works seamlessly to improve your life. The popularity in wearables is proof that we all care about improving our body's state of mind, but we shouldn't have to wear something to become better at it. The Sunrise Pillow is designed to give you insight into one of the most important processes of your life, your sleep.
When designing the Sunrise Pillow, we went through many iterations to make sure it was not only the most intuitive smart alarm, but also the most comfortable. We used soft, breathable fabrics and integrated cooling technology to keep you cool and comfortable the entire night.
Sleep plays a critical role in all our lives, so we didn't want to make this pillow without your help. We want the Kickstarter community to help us bring better sleep to everyone. With your support, we can together help people get more out of their days by improving the quality of their nights. We're so excited to build the Sunrise Pillow and get it to you.
Let's talk about something that every one of us does, but that most of us don't do as well as we should: sleep. We spend a third of our lives doing it, each day is dependent on it, but we still neglect it. Knowing how you slept is good, but it's not enough. You need to begin to understand why you slept a certain way. While you sleep at night, you have no idea what is happening. Nobody's even thinking about the most important room of our lives and how it impacts us: the bedroom. At Hello, we want to change that. Sense is a simple system that tracks your sleep, monitors the environment of your bedroom, and reinvents the alarm. Sense watches for noise, light, temperature, particulates in the air, and more. With the sleep pill, your movements at night tells you how soundly you're sleeping. If you're disturbed at 3 a.m., you should be able to see if it was your partner snoring or a car alarm that went off. We all have a natural sleep cycle, but a normal alarm will wake you up regardless of when's best for you. With Sense's smart alarm, it knows how to wake you up at the right time, so you don't start the day feeling terrible. If you want to be up by 9:30, but you're already half awake at 9:15, then your alarm should know to go off then, not wait for you to fall deeper into sleep. Here at Hello, we've been heads down for quite a while now building. We're a team of designers, engineers, and operations experts who collectively have built products and services that millions of people around the world use and love. Making world-class hardware and software on their own is hard. Doing these things in concert together obviously becomes even more complex. That's why we've assembled a team of the best people to do just that. With the rise of wearables, we've seen that people clearly care about their sleep. But to us, it felt so unnatural to be worrying about putting something on, charging it, remembering to press buttons. We believe that technology needs to disappear. It didn't make sense to us that we've been told to put something on just as we get into bed. Everything with Sense is designed to fade away. You should simply be able to just sleep.
When designing Sense, we didn't want to create something that looked like just another piece of technology. That's easy to do. It's much harder to design a device that feels at home sitting beside your bed every day. It should look like an object that you'd be happy to have there almost regardless of its purpose. For something so natural as sleep, we wanted to design something that felt organic. The spherical form and nest-like structure helped to keep things both simple and strong. To get to where we are today, we've iterated literally hundreds of times. By being able to 3D print and laser cut our way out of almost anything, we've settled on a design that's beautiful and one that also functions perfectly with all the sensors we have inside.
Fitting so much inside such a small space is pretty hard. When you look at what goes inside Sense, engineering everything to fit is a challenge, but it's fun. It's like a beautiful puzzle fitting together perfectly to become strong, sturdy, and to protect everything inside. Objects shouldn't just be designed to look good. They should be designed to last. That's what building things for people is about. With Sense and the Sleep Pill, we wanted things to stand the test of real life, and we've made sure we did just that.
Sleep is important to literally everyone, so we didn't want to make this product hidden in silence and without your help. We want the Kickstarter community to help us in shaping what we're building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people to better understand themselves and the world around them. We're so excited to build Sense and get it to you.
What if you could control your dreams? Fly over the Grand Canyon. Visit a beautiful island. Or perhaps go back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Now you can. Meet iBand Plus, the EEG brain-sensing headband for inducing lucid dreams and improving sleep. What is a lucid dream? A lucid dream is any dream in which you become aware that you're dreaming without you actually waking up. Dreams occur almost always when you are in the rapid eye movement phase, also known as the REM phase of your sleep. In REM phase, your brain activity is different than in the other phases of your sleep cycle. iBand Plus accurately senses this dream phase by monitoring variations in your brain waves. Once iBand Plus senses this dream phase, it plays audio-visual cues. These subtle external stimuli of light patterns via the LEDs on iBand Plus and sound appear as anomalies in your dream, making you aware that you are dreaming without them waking you up. Once you are lucid in a dream, you can take control of your dream actions and consciously reshape the dream to fulfill any fantasy. Your wildest desires unrestrained by the laws of physics or society. Lucid dreams are vivid and highly immersive. Once in lucid dream, you enter a virtual world where everything you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell is as authentic as reality. Lucid dreaming has been researched scientifically. Many psychologists and researchers have recognized that lucid dreams can help with artistic creativity, problem solving, improving sports and language skills, and can even help people prone to nightmares to get their fears under control. Sleep is also very important to restore energy reserves and strengthen the immune system. Even minimal sleep loss affects mood, productivity, ability to handle stress, and even body weight. iBand Plus tracks your sleep, indicates sleep quality, and gives feedback on improvement. iBand Plus also has the most advanced smart alarm feature that wakes you up with simulated natural sunlight and sounds at the most optimum period of sleep cycle, so that you wake up fresh every time. iBand Plus headband communicates with iBand Plus app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can conveniently check your sleep statistics and improvement suggestions. You can even customize your iBand Plus from this app to set LED light patterns and the brightness, as well as the audio cues. Developers can use our open platform to create amazing new experiences. With future software updates, iBand Plus could be connected to numerous smart devices in your home to simplify your daily life.